In this video, I will show you how to save an article that you have found in EBSCO Essentials to your OneDrive. So I am now in EBSCO Essentials. I have done a basic search on the 4 days school week, and I've got lots of options. I was interested in the first one. It's from 2019. It seems to have important information. So I've accessed it for free at the top. I read the abstract. I'm still very interested, so I selected Read Online. And here is the PDF of the article in its entirety. I can see it's 15 pages. I scroll down. There's lots of information. I see data. I see charts. And I'm really interested in having it printed so I can read and annotate it. So there are a couple options that you can do. The easiest is to just download it. So you'll see somewhere at the top a download option. In this case, at the top, you'll see this download. It could also, at the top here, you'll see a little down arrow. And if I hover over it, you can see where it says download and it pops up. I'm going to go ahead and select that option so it will download to my computer. Right, and you can see that it's actually popped up. So from there, now that I have this article downloaded, I can now upload it to my OneDrive. And we want to upload to our OneDrive for a couple of reasons. First, because it will always be accessible to us in our OneDrive. Sometimes we just lose things, so it's nice to always have that electronic copy. And secondly, because I will ask you to upload this PDF to Teams so that way I can track your progress to see that you are in fact conducting research, and so that way I can print that PDF for you when you begin to read, annotate, and highlight these sources. So I'm now going to go to my OneDrive. It always takes it a second for it to load. I'm going to open up my OneDrive. I'm going to open up my English folder where I have things saved. And from here, there is an option to upload. So you'll select that, and you want to select files because we are uploading a PDF file of your article. So I can see here it's downloaded. It has a lot of weird, funky names, and we can actually rename that later, no problem. So I'll select that. And please be aware that sometimes when this window opens, it may not be set to downloads. Like it could be set on your desktop or your documents. You want to make sure downloads is selected so that way you can see what has been downloaded. So again, I want to upload that PDF. I'm going to select open. It may take it a second depending on how large that file is. And here it is. So I want to select it to see what it looks like to make sure it's the correct one. And it is. Because it has that really weird name, I want to go ahead and rename it just so that way it keeps me organized. And there's a couple of ways to do that. One easy way is to just copy the title with my mouse. I'm going to Control C. I'm going to click the little close button. So now I have the article title copied. I'm going to select the three buttons, the three dots, and rename. I'm going to delete that, Control V. And you'll notice it doesn't allow things like semicolons or other options. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. And now it's free to rename. There we go. So now I have my PDF saved. I renamed it to the title of the article so that way I know exactly which one it is. If you have any further question on how to download your article PDFs to your OneDrive, please ask a neighbor or ask me for more assistance. Thank you.